Hey friends, if you wish to run the disk defragmentator on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's what you have to do. First of all, you need to open the file explorer and then go to this PC. Now in this PC, let us suppose that you wish to defragmentate the D drive. Right click on it and select properties. Okay, and then go to the tools tab. There is an option which says optimize and defragment drives. Click on optimize. Okay, and then select the drive which you wish to optimize and click on optimize. It will start trimming and then it will check if it needs any defragmentation or not, and then you can click on optimize once again to check that. In my case it is not required, but if it would be required then it would defragment it as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.